Okay, find out this is new question, okay? Find out the weighted average cost of capital from the following information given by a company. See, what is equity capital? 5 lakhs, 10% preference 3 lakhs, 9% debentures 2 lakhs. The price earning ratio of the company in the same industry is 6. Now this is new point given to you. Price earning ratio. This is price earning ratio. I will tell you what is the formula of price earning ratio. You must have learned in ratio analysis, I feel. If Priya madam has covered, then you must have done it in your ratio analysis chapter. The company's shares are traded in stock exchange at face value. The company's shares are traded in stock exchange at face value means the market value is equals to face value. Okay, assume the tax rate is at 30%. Okay, the company shares are traded in a stock exchange means they tell you about the market value, and at face value means the face value and the market value is same. I repeat again. So price earning ratio, the formula of price earning ratio is MPS upon EPS into 100. See, MPS upon EPS. So price earning ratio is given, MPS is also given. Whenever equity's face value is not given, assume it is 10. Always assumes, always we have to assume equities. We always calculate it for equity only. Huh? Price earning ratio is always only for equity. Remember, price earning ratio means what we earn from equity shareholders, what we earn, I mean from the company, from the shares, whatever we earn has to be converted into a ratio that is known as price earning ratio. After each share, how much we earn. In totality, how much we earn. So that is known as price earning ratio. Looking at its price. So which price? Market price. So because my market price has gone up, so how much I am earning? Tell me the ratio. That is known as price earning ratio. Okay. So price earning ratio is the proportion of market price per share and to market price per share to its earning per share. This is the proportion. Okay, so it is always calculated only for equity shareholders, only and only for equity. So price earning ratio has a formula of it is a proportion of market price per share to earning per share, MPS upon EPS. Okay, so because price earning ratio is already given 6 times, see it is given, price earning ratio is 6. Is it given? Is it given? See, look here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
and the
ma'am.
company shares are traded in stock exchange at face value means market price is equals to face value. And now you will say, ma'am, face value is not given in the question. If it is not given in the question, assume it is 10 rupees face value. It is about equity I'm talking. I'm talking about equity. Please don't misunderstand with preference and debentures. I'm only talking about equity share capital. If nothing is disclosed, then assume the face value of equity share capital as rupees 10. So because they say the market value is equals to face value, therefore MPS would also be 10. NPS would also be 10. Now EPS, I don't know about EPS. Let it be EPS only, same. So now EPS will go here, 6 will come here. EPS will go here and 6 will come here. No, cross multiplication type. So 10 by 6, EPS is equals to 1.667. Right? 1.667, no? And now if it, I will tell you then, what do you mean by 1.667? Because earning per share is 1.667. And they tell you market price is 10 rupees. So what will be my KE? KE means cost of equity. Because market price per share is rupees 10, no? So behind 10 rupees, assume this 10 rupees as 100 percentage. So what this 1.667 will be? It will be 16.67. So KE can be calculated with the help of this formula. With the help of price earning ratio, we can calculate Cost of equity capital. K means cost of equity capital. That's it. This is only the new point in the question, nothing else. So let us start. Let us start. Wait, let me just copy down. No, 8 minutes, okay. Let me first come down to the question. इससे मैं कॉपी कर लेती हूँ ये नहीं, ये बराबर है. ठीक है, इससे मैं कॉपी कर लेती हूँ. अभी हमारा सम नंबर कौन सा है बताएंगे? 10th वाला है. ओके. अभी कौन सी कंपनी का नाम क्या है? फाइंड आउट द वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट ऑफ गिवन कंपनी. ओके, कंपनी का नाम नहीं दिया हुआ. ओके, नाउ लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन. सबसे पहले सोर्सेस में क्या क्या दिया हुआ है? इक्विटी 10% प्रेफरेंस, 9% डिबेंचर्स. सो इट इज इक्विटी 10% preference and 9% debentures. Is it right? Is it correct? Is it okay?
Yes,
10 and 9%. Okay. Equity has 5 lakhs, preference has 3 lakhs, debenture has 2 lakhs. So equity has 5 lakhs, preference has again 3 lakhs. So we have to write here 3 and the debentures 2. So what is the total capital employed?
10.
Okay. So now tell me the proportion. 5 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs into 100. So what is the proportion?
50%.
Very good.
50.
3 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs into 100.
30%.
And what is 2 by 10 into 100?
20%.
20%. Did you get this? Now COC. COC. COC for equity. For equity, we need to calculate. Price earning ratio is given. So we will write here. Wait, I will tell you. In short, we call it as PE, price earning ratio. PE, you can say R. Price earning ratio is equals to, what is price earning ratio ka formula? Just now I explained you. What is price earning ratio ka formula? Yes?
MPS upon EPS.
Very
into
good.
100.
MPS upon EPS. That's it. No need to do into 100. No need. MPS upon EPS into 100. Now what is price earning ratio? It is given 6 is equals
6.
to market price is also given. It says market price is equals to face value. It says market price is equals to face value. So because face value is not given, assume as 10 rupees. So it will be 10 divided by, I don't know EPS, so let it be EPS only. Now EPS will come in the place of 6 and 6 will come to the place of EPS, cross multiplication types. So EPS is equals to 10 by 6. So what is 10 by 6? Use calci and let me know the answer. Is it right?
1.67.
1.67. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, wait. In textbook, they have made it little confusing type. देखो इन्होंने डायरेक्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया. आप ऐसे ना करके मैं आपको बताती हूँ ये 16.67 कैसे आया. पहले तो आपने प्राइस अर्निंग रेशियो समझा सबने. MPS upon EPS. Price earning ratio is given 6. MPS is 10 divided by EPS पता नहीं. So cross multiply करके 10 by 6 EPS आ जाएगा कितना? 1 point. Tell me 1.67. ये EPS आ गया. ये देखो मैं हाईलाइट कर रही हूँ. EPS आ गया. अब हमारा KE का फॉर्मूला लगाओ. हमको तो KE चाहिए, हमको EPS थोड़ी चाहिए. प्राइस अर्निंग रेशियो थोड़ी चाहिए, मार्केट प्राइस पर शेयर थोड़ी चाहिए, अपने को क्या चाहिए? व्हाट डू वी वांट? वी वांट कॉस्ट ऑफ इक्विटी कैपिटल. Price earning ratio, market price per share, EPS, we don't want all this. We calculate all this to arrive to an answer, to calculate an answer of cost of equity capital. Okay, so what is the formula of KE? You remember, we have two different formulas. Instead of DPS, you can write EPS upon MPS. One formula is DPS upon MPS, another formula is EPS upon MPS. So the formula of KE is, tell me, what can be applied here? DPS or EPS?
EPS.
Yes, because just now we calculated EPS, earning per share. So why don't we apply EPS instead of DPS? So here it will be EPS upon MPS into 100 plus G. Now, is G given in the question? Is G given in the question?
No.
No. Therefore, if we don't write it as G, it is okay. That is okay. So let us put the values now. Let us put the values in the formula. What is EPS? We calculated just now.
1.6
divided by what is
10.
MPS? 10. See
10.
here, MPS is 10 now. It is equals to face value into 100 because we want it in the form of percentage. Therefore, 1.67 divided by 10 into 100. What is the answer?
16.7%.
Yes. So this is what is my KE. This was only the new point because of which I am like doing the sum. Otherwise, I would have given it to you. I would have given it to you in the form of homework. Just because this point I am doing it. So 16.67
मैम आपने
is
होमवर्क
my
चेक
KE.
किए?
No, I did not do it. Beta, I'll do it. Wait. 16.67. मैं बताती हूँ होमवर्क का, रुको.
मैम 16.7 है सिर्फ.
हाँ, sorry. नहीं, 16.67 था ना?
नहीं,
Calculate
सिर्फ
करो.
16.7.
पक्का है? यहाँ पे तो 16.67 दिखा रहा है मुझे. एक बार फिर से करके देखो. देखो हार्डली फर्क पड़ता है, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप फिर भी कैलकुलेट.
16.7 ही आ रहा है मैम.
ठीक है, ओके ओके, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, कोई बात नहीं. 16.7. ओके ओके, 7 मतलब 70. 16.70. okay. Now 10% preference shares has to be written same 10%. It is already after tax. Remember equity always has to be written.
Yes, ma'am.
Preference always has to be written as same as it is given because it is already after tax, no? So there is no need to calculate it after tax because it is already. Now KD because we have only one, so we can write it KD I1 minus T. What is I? What is I?
9.
Yes,
9%.
very good.
9.
Very good. And what is tax rate? What is tax rate in the question?
30%.
Look at the question.
30%.
30%. Very good. So it is 0.30. Now 1 minus 0.30 is 0.70. So 9 into 0.70. 9 into 0.70.
6.30.
6.30. This is
Yes,
my answer of KD. This is the answer of KD. It is 6.30. Okay. Is it okay? Now calculate WACC. Tell me the WACC of equity. 50 into 16.70%.
8.35.
8.35%. Next. Tell me what is 30 into 10%. Next. Tell me about 20 into 6.3. Yes?
1.26.
1.26. And what is the total?
12.61.
12. Sorry, pardon.
12.61.
12.61%. So this can be copied as a concluding line. Therefore, WACC is equals to
12.61.
Yes. So I'm giving you 2 minutes to copy them. So let us start the next one. Wait. Do you have any doubts in question parts? I mean the homework part. See, this was
No.
the question as homework. Was it easy? This was the
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
This
Yes,
should
ma'am.
be the
Very
answer. See,
17 and
10.60.
21.
Check your answers right away.
हाँ मैम
If I
10.60.
don't get the time to check, at least आपको पता होना चाहिए आपका आंसर right है कि wrong है. 10.60. Have you calculated this answer?
Yes ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Which another was homework?
17th.
Okay, let me
12.69.
Yes, 12.69% is your answer. Therefore,
Yes,
VAC
ma'am.
is equals to 12.69%.
69%.
Okay. Good, good. Okay, have we done the 16th sum? Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes ma'am. Okay.
Okay, okay. More or less everything is done. I mean, nothing is left. And just let me check if anything is there. I will give you. These are individual formulas. I will not ask this in the question paper. These are just to practice. Okay. Now this is already everything given. Wait. If I have another question here. No, I don't have. Okay. So let's start doing this sum. I'm giving you 5 minutes and you all have to do it. I'll be waiting for your answers. Okay. Okay. Look at this question. Manav Limited had a following capital structure. Equity is 20 lakhs, retained earnings have 15 lakhs, preference shares 5 lakhs, debentures 10 lakhs. Okay. Now, after tax cost of capital, everything is after tax. COC is given in the form of after tax. No need to convert anything, not even to KD. No formula of KD will be applied here because it is already
After
After
tax
tax is given.
Very good. So KE is given, KR is given, KP is given, and KD is also given. I'm giving you 5 minutes to complete this, the solution part of this question, and I will check your answers right away. So only 5 minutes, guys. Come on, start with the question. 34th sum.
सब सम होगा ना.
Okay, so finally we are done with the chapter. So you want the answer, no? Which was the sum number? 24, no?
11.
34.
Yeah. 34.
Okay. Let me come down to the page. I will tell you the answer. Wait, the answer should be 12.55.
5. Yes ma'am.
Is it correct?
Yes.
This should be the answer. Okay. So we are done. I think 10, 11 sums are done. That's a good number, and nothing will come out of this. Whatever is covered, I mean, everything is covered. Nothing is omitted or nothing is left over. Only there are formulas which are asked individual at the individual level, like what is the formula of KE, what is the formula of KD. So they will give you information. But in exam, this type of question will be asked. They will not ask you calculate KD only. Okay. So within a sum of VAC, while you calculate the sum of VAC, you will be asked to calculate KD and KE maybe. The formulas will be given as such, which will be like, in which you will be required to calculate KE and KD. So this is how you have to do. Okay. So let us take a break of 10 minutes and we will join again. Okay. ठीक है.